Guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today we're pretty much just gonna do like a small review on the GSX and the Miata, and we might hit up some car shows. We might hit up car meet. We don't know yet, but we're gonna meet up with our other friends in a bit. So please, guys, stay tuned. And you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Leave some feedback, some comments. I'll be posting a lot more of the Yellow Evo you guys been asking about, and the GSX, of course, the Miata, and more of our buddy Sevos. And I'll be posting more about builds that we've been doing at the shop, guys. So please like and subscribe, guys, if you guys haven't. So we're back again here with the Turbo Miata. Just got some work done here, a little bit, you know. Gio's been working on it, doing little stuff like that. Like he just put the intake back on there, the tile blow valve. Like he's just been doing little work here and there. He's been working on the lifted Miata, the ones you guys seen before. Then Junie over here, he's been going balls all out. So he just got a new in radiator. He went side exit, as you guys can tell, the side exit. Um, what else? He went JMF intake manifold. He's been doing a lot of work. He went Let's try that again, guys. I don't know who, but they were just honking like crazy out there. But yeah, you know, precision turbo still the same. Punisher racing manifolds. But yeah, we went. Junie went bigger intake, like I was saying right now before I got interrupted. So he got the JMF. He did a fully built head, cams and cam gears, but he actually took out the cam gears to check the timing again. But a lot is coming out for the GSX, so this is gonna be definitely a car to watch in the summer. It's gonna be pretty fast. I've been in love with all these cars with the GSXs. They make good power and they still look good. So yeah, guys, thanks again for clicking on my videos and watching them. I appreciate them. So stay tuned for more to come. That cold start. Alright, guys, so we brought the Evo to the shop. It's gonna get some minor tuning touch up. But yeah, we can't wait to finally hit the streets. 100%. Brian just pulled up. He went to the house and got it, brought it to the shop. So we're gonna tune it and see how it goes, guys.
Let me call him.
So we're here. We're probably gonna tune it ourselves just so it can drive like better, and then just get the aggressive tune. Probably like in a week or two, maybe less. But we're hungry to take this thing out. It's nasty. Then one of our friends right now is gonna meet us up. He has a GTR, so he should be pulling up shortly. Here, Junior about to plug in the computer.
¿Sí tienes el app? ¿Un app? ¿Tuner? Tuner? Right here.
Junie the tuner right here. Puerto Ricans like to go fast, so we had to get the best Puerto Rican in Belvedere to come tune it. He said high 8-second car, I guess.
¿Tienes uno? No, sí tiene. Oh, no. It's yours. Ese está conectado.
Nah, guys, it should go low tens.
12, bro.
12 second, yeah. 12. All right.
That I'm still in my zone. Bitch, I'm high, then you flying a drone, and I miss my family when I'm out on the road. I ain't tripping if you fuck with my bros. Got no feelings when I fuck with these hoes. Let me find out that you're breaking the code. Got 2 bitches, then I'm fucking them both. Originated from the blue devil. Took my homies to a new level. Took them places that they never seen. Fancy places, and I'm still ghetto. Got my shooters in the daytime, and the bang loud like the bass line. No break time at the same time. My bitches get naked on FaceTime. Got the weed on deck. Smoking the weed all day. We don't play. Got OZs and P's all day. G's in East LA. I dip in the benzo, I kill instrumentals. I got no shirt on when I'm hitting the endo. I sleep with a pistol that's under my pillow. My homie puts weed and cigarillos.
I've been smoking way too much weed in the parking lot.
Alright, so we're about to go on a quick ride on the GTR. Yeah guys, so this is Elliot's GTR right here. He also has a R35, so that'll probably be in the vlog sometime later, or yeah, because today we don't have too much time, but yeah, he just got this car, and honestly it's really clean for the year. Right hand drive. Leave a comment below, see how you like it. Guys, today's the next day, Jesse's wedding. We're gonna do a photo shoot with the GTR Nismo. So my cousin Jesse just graduated. I mean, not graduated, just got married. So we're gonna do a quick photo shoot with her. We're here with my cousin Anthony, again with Elliot, hooking it up with a nice set of pictures right here with his GTR from Brian. It's hot as hell out here in Chicago, guys. So yeah. Then the groomsmen over there. Congratulations, Jesse, on your wedding. Jackie, welcome to the family. Alright guys, so now we're heading out to the venue. So I'm probably gonna end the vlog right here. So guys, thanks again for watching another video. Hey guys, so I'm gonna end the vlog right here. Thanks again for watching. It's actually the second day. This is my cousin Anthony, Brian, Pedro, and I'm just gonna end the vlog here, guys.
Snapchat is Ben_Dover001.
Go follow him, guys. What about you, bro?
Ryan_IX.
You good? He's good. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys on the next one.